Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Trisha Nicole and this is my closet. So yeah, today I'm wearing my one piece type of deal, little romper. It has a little tie right here. I'm gonna put a video right here. I know, because y'all know what I do. I have on this black one piece short jumper. I have on my Heart Coach bag. I have on my Ladybug shoes that I love so much. I love them so much. Y'all know how much I love them. These are my favorite shoes for the summer. I have on silver accessories, hoop earrings today. Okay, and my fragrance I put on Daisy. That's my fragrance for today. Something light for summer. I'm gonna be outside today. And yeah, so y'all, we're headed downtown on Freedom Way in Cincinnati, Ohio to the Juneteenth holiday celebration. It's a block party and it sounds like it's gonna be fun. So grab your bags, grab you some water, and let's go.
This is for you, my number one. This is for you, my number one. This is for you, my number one. Spotlights, big stage, 50,000 fans waving it away.
We're on Freedom Way. We're headed to the festivities. So yeah, I don't know how far we gotta walk, but I hear the music already. So y'all know what that means. I'm gonna only be able to talk for a little bit, and then let y'all see what's going on, and then I'll talk to y'all in a minute. So y'all, I ain't never seen this many black folks in my life. In my life. You see this? Child, it's food trucks everywhere. So I'm about to try to find me something to eat. But yeah, I'm gonna try to find me something to eat. We just stopped to get us something to drink. And I don't even know what this place is called, y'all. What? Stretch. So we got to get us something to drink at this outside bar and see what it do. So yeah, that's what we got to do. Nobody's coming to help us, so I don't know what the problem is. What the problem be? I don't know. We need to yell or something. I don't even know what they got. What they got? They have vodka? I want vodka. If they don't have vodka, then it's over. They don't have vodka. But y'all know I cannot drink tequila. No tequila for me.
This is the way I see you in my dreams. Paparazzi flash, 100 pictures all of you hanging on my bedroom wall. I'm a kid again, feel like 13, but I mean since we fell in love,
Y'all, I ain't even gonna lie. These fries right here, they are so freaking good. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all know I love potatoes. These motherfuckers is good. We about to get a funnel cake from the funnel cake bar. When I get closer, this is the line. So when I get closer, yeah, y'all gonna know. I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff that they got to offer. So yeah. onion, cheese, cream, and some kind of sauce. I don't even know what the sauce is, y'all, but this tastes good though. Good, okay? But yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute.
Superstar, yeah. I'm your number one fan. Give me your autograph. Sign it right here on my heart. I'll be your groovy baby. 'Cause you are my superstar, yeah. Your number one fan. This is for you that I can't choose. Show you my number one. Control. There I am, jumping and hollering, waving both hands. Will you notice me? Little.
So y'all, I can't say this time, I had a great time. I had a wonderful time, okay? Hands down, it was a great time. Good food, good snacks, good music, and good drinks, okay? So, yeah. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go on and end this vlog right here. I'm going to end it right here. Thank you for viewing. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time,